Dosing nutrients before you fix pH is one of the fastest ways to wreck a reservoir, and it happens every week in small farms that treat EC and pH as the same problem. Plant Mood's nutrient mixer and correction tool is at plantmood.farm. Free, no login. It walks you through EC and pH correction with the right sequence. Stabilize pH first, then feed. Plus separate calculators for fresh A and B, mixing, and NPK balance. 3 tools in one page. At the top, jump buttons scroll you to pH and EC correction, A and B mixing, or NPK ratio, so you can go straight to the section you need at refill time. Start with plant and stage selection. Type your crop into the search box. It auto-completes from the full plant database. Then choose a growth stage: germination, seedling, vegetative, flowering, or fruiting. EC and pH targets pull from that plant's nutrient profile, not generic hydro numbers. Calculator 1, pH and EC correction. Enter your reservoir volume in liters, your measured EC in millisiemens per centimeter, and your pH. The output is what to do, in what order. Numbered steps with exact amounts. Milliliters of pH down or pH up, part A and part B milliliters, dilution liters if you need to lower EC, and a final remeasure reminder. pH always comes before nutrients. The tool enforces that logic so you do not lock out uptake. Calculator 2. A and B mixing is for fresh reservoirs. Choose your growth stage, enter volume, then pick a concentration tier: low, medium, or high. Result tiles show part A milliliters, part B milliliters, total volume, and the ratio. Calculator 3, NPK ratio, compares your measured nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium against the plant's target for the selected stage. It flags deficiency or excess per element and lists symptoms: yellowing patterns, stunting, tip burn, tied to what you entered. Bookmark it next to your meter. The nutrient tool is on Plant Mood with the rest of the calculators. Link below.